Right there. There they go. Nope. No, those are robins. No. Oh well. Like, oh my gosh. He's right over here. I mean, he is right here. Oh! They're in the air. Oh my gosh, there it is right there. It's right there. American Woodcock. Lovely. That's amazing. I love it so much. I've never seen one before. This is one of my favorite birds here. I may never make this into a video. This might just be for me to look at and look at the video of me finding a woodcock for the first time. Well, I'm really gonna have to edit this if it's gonna be short.